So what's up, the topic?
I guess. I don't know. Let me hear the beat first. I like that. It's like some smooth type shit. I got it. Okay. Some shit when you see it across the room. You're killing me, paraplegic, you ain't really feeling me. You're Joe from Family Guy, why should I try? And I desire, giggity, giggity, her ass Quagmire. Better yet, I'm trying, better yet, you knew me. Baby, with this motherfucker, you can call me Scooby. Psych, now you're crazy, better yet, you're hazy. Ooh, you look good, let me get my baby. Psych, nah, baby, you ain't stopped the call, but I'ma tell you, man, she's a pro, playing with my balls, shooting with the 3-point, yeah, she got the jumper. When we in the bed, yeah, she knows she got the thumper. Back ass stage, man, she got that jump. So that means she really has a dumpster. Get it? And niggas ain't know, man, I'm wild though. Niggas ain't know for that ass I recycle though. But whatever I spit, man, it really ain't a lie. At the same time, why even try? And if she ain't wanna give me the time of day, girl, I grab her by her arm and tell her stop playing.
Listen, Han Solo, Skywalker across the force. Darth Vader says she wanna bring me, so of course I gotta get her love in like the Sith from a Jedi kinda do. So I gotta say I'm sick, but I'm really not too sick. This is just a cough, but shorty wanna talk about, let me finish her off. I'm so on, I'm so off, so hard, so soft. I don't really think they understand what I talk about. Young boy get his money in, damn, let's can bring a friend. You talking about who it is, I'm talking about my addiction. I'm on my Kanye West shit. Shorty got me facing these trials, I'm just trying to get it in. You know I'm fitting in, cleverly sitting in. Shorty, she talking love, I think that's a bit in. But now I'm feeling that, and then she feeling him. Am I sicker than her, or I'm sicker than
yo, more dangerous cause love is so tragic. Heroin fever, her love, blue magic. Got me faded, got me jaded. She wanna change it up ever since we made it. YouTube all-stars, better yet I'm famous. Half these other girls around here is so nameless. Wanna fuck with me and wanna fuck with him. Goddamn girl, you ain't got no shameless. Like a second stringer, man, you're gameless. Get it? Nah, I wanna see what's on my backwards fitted. But I'ma tell you right now, you know I done did it. But now nah, like Kid Kid and Young Money, man, I can't get it.
But I was Clyde and you was Bonnie. Now you walk around and say that you really doubt me. I was all on you like Bill Camille, but you was talking about life was so surreal. I don't think she understands the feel. Carol, I'm Greg. It don't really matter, X again. I am asking you, but you are asking him. You say you don't be feeling this resident that we have.
But yo, when y'all argue, man, you show a little muscle. Better yet, you tussle. Man, she's fighting cussing. What you do to it?
Man, she like Prince Hakeem, because every time I be coming, she be leaving me up in the days. I ain't lying every time that I say my name. She be walking around, child of the destiny. See, they don't get it what I mean when she say it's me. She just hope that I would leave, but I stay in deep.
But man, I smoke her good like a fine cigar. Light the lamp, what we call that, Pixar. Hot man drinks, what will you say next? Better yet, baby, yeah, I want that birthday checks. Oops, my bad, Joel Santana said it. Well shit, I owe him one, I'm indebted. But what would you do if a chick wanna walk out and she wanna say, I'm gone, Drix, what she talking about?
Listen, must be an X-Men the way we storming. Please tell me there is no fat up in this forming. Please tell these motherfuckers how we gon' warn them. Notorious like Biggie and Diddy, so we on them. These niggas don't hate it, but they well debated, nigga. We the greatest with our them niggas faking, them boys is amazing. Without weeds, we blazing. Just add the saxophone and show these Kenny G's play it.
Bang.